Oh, we have power. Cut that off before I get copyright infringement. What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and it's the place to be. But before we get started, I would like to thank King Blues Whips for the Cash App donation. I know it's been a while, but I got backlog of videos because I don't make videos all the time. So thank you for the Cash App donation. And if y'all see from the thumbnail, we got another Copart win for the low price of $375. Out the door, $634 or $664 out the door. But she's a non-runner, mechanical. And I don't know what's with me with these non-runners, because I guess this is a learning channel. We all learn together over here, learn from my mistakes. So you don't make the same mistake when pulling a motor, doing an engine swap, whatever it might be with these non-runners. Because this is a hobby for me, and I like doing it. Maybe one day I get a shot. But like I said, thanks, King Blue Whips, for the Cash App donation. Let's get started. So here she is, a 2006 Chevy Equinox. Y'all know I love my Chevy Equinoxes. She has a decent set of tires. Oh, no, she don't. She got Hercules tires in the back. I forgot what car I was talking about. I got so many cars. Yeah, she got a decent set of Hercules tires in the back. I do believe the front tires are bald. And they're Hercules too, but this tire is bald. And this tire over here is bald as well. So, and she missing the GM thing, but see, she been over here for a while. Lost type, minor dents and scratches. Copart Direct. So another Copart Direct, but it's a non-runner. 99,000 miles on her. Now don't believe. Well, she might need a little bit of paint. And this door, it's got a little whamage because this door has been hit. So I'm about to repair all this rust right here. I'm learning how to do rust repair. But yeah, the door is dented there. That door is dented here. There's no damage on the inside. So she's going to need 2 doors. Don't mind that seat. That's from another car. Y'all should know. Y'all already seen that car. The one I got from my plant manager or where I work at. We did the seats, but then she doesn't have a spare tire. A lot of stuff is missing. Paint spilt all in this car. It's mighty dirty. The exhaust is missing. So it has no exhaust. Like I said, the paint been spilled in here. She wasn't very taken care of. I'll call this one of those cars where the person cared more about smoking weed than anything else. Because this interior is nasty. Yeah, I see that. Blunt, 2 cigarillo papers. Cigarette butts. Sunflower kernels. Well, if I park this car at my job, the mice have a field day. Plenty of food to eat. Pop spilled. But the headliner clean. Driver's side seat belts. But y'all know what I'm going to do with this car. We're going to do that engine swap. And I'm going to pull the whole interior out. And scrap them seats and everything. I'm going to do an interior swap. Even the door cards. The doors. Got some peeling over here. With this molding. That's something new. But I got parts cars. The front end got a little whammage on it. They painted the grill black. The bumper is hanging off on this side, but the fenders seem to be okay, except for a little dent right there. Already got to taking the engine apart. Well, I didn't take the engine apart, but took out the breather box. For what? Oh, take the pulleys off. Let's see if the motor was locked up. Do believe the motor is locked up, but for shits and giggles, in this video, I will hook up my brand new No-Code Boost Pro to this car and see what she sounds like. Will she crank over or will she just do nothing? So, I'll get back to y'all when I get that hooked up. Oh, we have power. Cut that off before I get copyright infringement. So yeah, I can see there, we got 99, 274 on the dash. We had an oil light on. Engine light is on. And obviously we have power. About to turn the key and see what happened. Up, just a click. So the engine is locked up, as expected. Well, I got spare car. Yeah, I got car parts up in here for this car. So I got some new switches that's got to be cleaned off. Replace these, is all worn out. I forgot all about that. So we got the book. I gotta go through this stuff. I think it's car from Illinois. So they got an oil change sticker at 4,200. Ain't no oil change stickers up in here. We got some cough lozenges, a light, and some type of plug up in there. I say, I got my switches I bought for this car to replace those switches. I've been forgetting. That door don't seem all that good. Oh, does the sunroof work? Yes, it works, so that's a good thing. We got sunroof. Visors, little covers are broken off. That light switch is busted. But like I said, wait a minute, did I keep those parts from the other light? I gotta check that one out. Hopefully I didn't throw that other light away. I can rebuild those. The important window works. Back window works. But these doors getting replaced anyway on this side. That window worked. And that window worked. When the radio worked, just a little dirty. So this is going to be a major project for me. Y'all know how I get down. If you ain't new to this channel, but you're new to this channel, I get down on these cars. Get that closed. You probably move a little bit faster if she wasn't on a jump pack. Yeah, like I said, the headline is good. I don't know what more to say about this car. I just got to figure out how to swap the motor. Never swapped the motor on these cars, but we'll figure it out. I'm going to get my No-Code Boost, turn it off. It's going to be this hard doing it one-handed. So I can stick this back in the garage, but don't worry, I got cars everywhere. Don't be looking. Don't look. It's a mess when you don't own the shop. which y'all must see. Y'all remember this car. Remember that one. Non-runner. Got it running. But here's my parts car. Pontiac Torrent. Yeah, y'all new to the channel. But if you're not new to the channel, you already made a video on this car. This is my parts car. The parts from this car is going into those two cars. Engine and trans out of this car is going to that car. The interior from this car is going to that car. The interior from that car is going into that car. So the carpet and the seats is going to that car. The carpet and the seats for this one is going to that car. Or maybe the carpet going to that car. I don't know. Both carpets need to be cleaned, but one of these carpets going to that car. And all the plastic trim in this car is going to that car to replace all that gray trim. Even the seat belts are going into that car. So that's why I just buy these cars, because I always got parts cars laying around for another car. That one got a sunroof. That one got a sunroof. That one don't. So that's the more upgraded version of this one. They both got the same tires and rims. I think these tires are going to that one. I got another set of tires and rims for this one, sitting right over here. So I'm going to put the 17-inch chrome boys with Goodyear tires. 2 tires in the front match, 2 tires in the back match. Got those courtesy of LKQ. And like all the auction rebuilds said, the prices are going skyrocket. You can no longer do a cheap build no more, because those tires and rims cost me $400 at the junkyard. $400. You used to be able to go in there and get a set for like $300, $200. Nope, cost me $400 for those set of tires and rims, because I didn't like these aluminum rims and these tires. The 2 back tires are good, but the 2 front tires I bought. Thought I could go a cheaper route. Well, probably it's cheaper if I just change all the tires and the rims with those. So instead of buying new tires, couldn't find no Hercules tires. Other than that, that car need a bath. But other than that, this car is, I dig deeper into this car as I go. Don't know which video gonna be. Yeah, I just don't know. I ain't trying to make this video that long, but this is my 2006 Copart Chevy Equinox. Listed as mechanical damage. I didn't see this. Got a little rust building up right there. Listed as mechanical damage. And yeah, I can see the motor is locked. And she wasn't very well taken care of. But just had to get this video out the way. This car been sitting over here for a while now. And I got cars sitting everywhere. Haven't made no videos of. Because I should start making videos as I get cars in. I should make the videos, get them over with, then move the cars. But I don't like to do that to y'all. I don't like to show a video, then later on, months later, I'll jump into that car. I'm supposed to be showing the cars as I work on them, as I get them. But sometimes it can't be like that. So I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. But with all that said, it's getting very cold outside. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If they enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here. Please share this video on your social media with your friends, family, and co-workers. Let everybody know Easy's Rebuilds is here to stay. Maybe. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. Let's get this channel blowed up, people. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Go check us out on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, where we tweet a lot of stuff and release a lot of stuff before we release the videos of this car. We let y'all know what we doing around here, because I just don't work on cars all the time. I'm always doing other stuff around the house. I'm a busy person because I work a full-time job. If you want to support this channel, we take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. And we have merch at teespring.com. There's all links in the description area below. Go check it out. Hit me up with my email. It's linked down there for that too. It's linked to everything I just said in the description area below. With all that said, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!